Cool Network Solutions is a US-based technical consultancy specializing in building secure, revenue-driving systems for growing businesses. We help companies replace manual workflows, fragile infrastructure, and disconnected tools with clean architecture, automation frameworks, and scalable cloud environments. What we do: cloud architecture, automation engineering, CRM and business systems implementation, API integrations and back-end development, infrastructure modernization, what clients get, scalable systems designed for growth, reduced operational friction, strong security posture, clear communication, and structured execution. We combine executive-level systems, thinking with hands-on engineering execution. If you're looking for a technical partner who understands both engineering depth and business impact, we're ready to help.